Hi everyone, I am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel chapter 6, hands-on exercise for simulation training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. If you need help in this training and if you want to deal for complete my MyLab Pearson course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp or email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I will handle your complete MyLab course, all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access, and all Microsoft Word with A plus grade. I will do each and everything like all simulation training, simulation exam, all cumulative assessment, capstone assessment, and final exam with A plus grade. And I am also handling other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Management, Economics, Calculus, Calculus 1, Math classes, and many more online classes. So we will go to MyLab Pearson and we will start our Excel chapter 6, hands-on exercise, simulation training 4. Okay, we will launch this training here. So we will start our training to solve it step by step. Question number 1, load the solver add-in. Simply we will go to file, go to options, and we will select add-in option, go to solver add-in checkbox, click on solver add-in checkbox, click on OK button. This question is done. So the question number 2, set solver to solve the objective cell of B12 on the home loan worksheet to the value of 1000. Define the variable cell range as B2 to B5. Leave the solver dialog box open as you will define the constraints in the next step. Okay, we will go to the data type in the analysis group, click on solver button. So set the solver to solve the objective cell of B12. Objective cell of B12 on the home loan worksheet to the value of 1000. Value of 1000. So define the variable cell range as B2 to B5. B2 to B5, and we will move on next because question is done. So the question number 3 of this training, create a constraint limiting cell B2 to less than or equal to 3 lakh, click add, then create a second constraint to ensure that cell B2 is greater than or equal to 1 lakh. In the add constraint dialog box, click add option. Okay. Okay, create a constraint in cell B2 to less than or equal to 3 lakh. Click add, then create a second constraint to ensure that cell B2 is greater than or equal to 1 lakh. Click on add. We will select cell B2. To less than or equal to 3 lakh, less than or equal to 3 lakh. So we will have to add more. No, so we will have to create a second constraint to ensure that B2 is greater than or equal to 1 lakh. B2 is greater than or equal to 1 lakh. Click on add. Create additional constraint to do the following in this order: B3 less than is equal to 1000. Click add B3 greater than is equal to 5000 and click OK. Okay, you can read this statement. B3 less than is equal to 1000 or 10,000. Okay, create additional constraint to do the following in this order. B3 less than or is equal to 10,000. So we will add next. The next is B3 greater than is equal to 5000. Greater than is equal to 5000. Okay, you can see I have done 3 question out of 4 question. It's mean I have done 90% this training in my video. If you need help in this training and if you want to deal for complete my laboratory Pearson course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the laptop screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat. So the next is that I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do each and everything, all simulation training, simulation exam, all cumulative assessment, capstone assessment, and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my student. Thank you so much.